Now, Croatia is out of the World Cup. Croatia has been knocked out of the World Cup by Argentina. A goal from Messi and a brace from Julian Alvarez showed the likes of Luka Modric the exit to fly out of the Qatar World Cup. But here is the question: why are most people from Croatia called with the ending of H? You have Modric, Pulisic, Kovacic, to mention but a few. Several people whose name are ending with H. The reason as to why there is an H suffix at the end of most people's name from Croatia is because it's a traditional royal system of naming where if you're a son of somebody, you can be named by adding only IC. For example, Modric is the son of Mod, or Pulisic can be a son of Pul. So they only add the IC at the end to denote the father's name. Thank you.